All right, friends. Today's Escape the Room is very similar to yesterday's Escape the Room. If you did that, these are just the directions, so don't click on any of these buttons or pages here. The actual link to the Escape the Room is going to be on the last page. So this one, you're going to use the clues to find the password to the computer. So it's going to start you off right here. It says you're in a small office, you've checked the door, but the handle doesn't budge. You see a computer. Maybe there's something on it that can help you crack the code. The computer is locked. Keep looking around to see if you can figure out the password. So this one, I believe, only has 3 clues, but they are a little bit difficult. The first clue is this little cork board. And what you actually need to do is look at this one where it says password. Round 556 to the nearest 10. So giving you that one, 556. I know the tens place is the 5. If I'm rounding it to the nearest 10, the 6 is closer to the next number, so it's going to be 860. I suggest you write this down. Like I was saying before in the last one, I didn't write all these down, and then I would forget, and so I'd have to go back and do it again, because you're going to have to take that number, subtract it from this number, rounded to the nearest 100, add that answer to 2,397, rounded to the nearest 1,000. My suggestion is you round all 3 of these numbers first, and then do the next step, which would be to subtract from that number and add to that number. Whatever that final number will be needs to go down here, and you do need to include a comma, if there is a comma. The next one is this little screen right here. If you notice the code, I like to round. The I is also the V. So if you look over here, I matches with V. L matches with Y. So here, it's a mirror image. Whatever the letter is on top, the actual code would be the letter on the bottom. So you'll need that for this. It says round 5,942 to the nearest whatever that is. So the first one says U and then H. So I need to find U. So the actual clue is going to start with an H. And then the next one I think is an H. And so again, I'm at the H. The next letter in the sequence is U. So it's H, U. And if I had to guess, it'd probably be 100. So you have to do all of that. Again, write these things down. This is going to take you kind of a while. It took me a while. And then you're going to enter that clue into the last box. So even though there's not very many clues, they're really time consuming. So make sure you're writing them down and practicing and going back and checking your work. And then when you have watched this video and you are confident that you could solve it, click on this link and it will take you to the actual Escape the Room.